If you want to buy your hosting from HostGator, then this is the right time because there's a special discount coupon code deal running right now. So what you have to do to get this amazing discount is to simply click on the link in the description. Once you click on exclusive discount link, you will be landed to a page like this where you can see an already amazing deal running right now to buy your hosting. But don't worry, I'm also adding to the finest coupon codes which you can find in the description of this video along with the special discount link. And in this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how you can use these coupon codes to get additional maximum discount with your hosting at HostGator. So if you scroll below, you can see that HostGator is being recommended by WordPress.org, Trustpilot, Google, HostTwice, WPNet. All of the rating companies says that HostGator got a very good and successful rating. And the best thing about all of the hosting plans is that all of the plans come with 30 days money back guarantee, so you can buy with confidence because your hosting is covered with 30 days money back guarantee. These are the three most popular plan which you can buy from HostGator. You can see a running discount right now at all of these plans, but when you buy through the link in the description, you are going to get additional discount through the coupon codes because you can apply those coupon codes to get additional discount on already running discount deals over here. And with HostGator, they provide you very good service. I've been using it personally from the last years and my experience so far is very good. Also, HostGator has a dedicated website migration service, so in case if you're coming from another hosting company to HostGator, they have a dedicated service to shift all of your content and website, and that too free of cost. This is a control panel, super easy, super friendly. Even a beginner or a newbie can operate and manage it. HostGator also do not compromise the speed, reliability, and efficiency, and they have a 24/7 support with local data centers all around in the world. And also the security features are just mind blowing. You're getting automatic backup, SSL security certificates, cloud web protected name servers. But you are getting even more. If you scroll above and do a comparison of see all features, you may be surprised to see that there are additional features like you are getting malware scanner, DDoS protection, domain whois privacy protection, web application firewall, secure access manager. So you're getting a lot of security features when you buy your hosting from HostGator. So these are additional security features, which I wanted to tell you regarding HostGator. And at this moment, 3 million plus people are using HostGator as their primary hosting company, and I'm using it. And if you want to be the part of the HostGator family, make sure to click on the link in the description, scroll above and choose any plan. Guys, the 30 days money back guarantee and this coupon code policy works with any plan you buy. You're gonna get 30 days money back guarantee. You're gonna get the coupon code discount on any plan you're gonna choose. But I recommend you guys to do a thorough research plan of all the plans features before you're going to select. So let's say we are going up the business plan. Simply select the choose plan with any of the plan to get this coupon code discount. Once you select the choose plan, you will be redirected like over here. And once you are redirected, you can see that this is a limited time deal, specially exclusively running for my audience to make take the maximum out of it when you buy your hosting. Now selecting your billing period, guys, the higher the billing period, the more the discount you are getting. For instance, because with the 48 months you are getting this 3 months extra free as well. So if you count and multiply it, I'm going to make sure to get a 91% discount plus a free domain as well. So once you select your billing period, select the have a coupon code and write this amazing coupon code. You can find this coupon code in the description of this video along with a special discount link. So once you apply over here, you're gonna see that your price is going to get a further discount on already running discount, plus you're getting free domain plus 3 months extra free as well. So now there is another coupon code as well to buy, and that is with the name of HI10. So you can use either of the coupon code to buy your hosting. So once you apply over here, you're gonna see that your price is getting a final discount. After this, move over to the continue to move to the last part of your buying, and you may be asked to log into your account. And now after logging in, I am moving on to the last part, and last part is seeing my order summary to buy, and I can see my discounts loaded. I'm also getting 3 months extra plus free domain as well, which is not being shown over here. When you write your billing details and simply select the continue to move on to the last part, and the last part is selecting about the payment methods. HostGator offer a variety of payment methods. You can choose any as per your convenience. So many options, even they offer country specific as well. So it might be that in your specific country you may see more options than this. So that is an additional good news. So write your credit card details, simply select the submit button, and that's how easily you're gonna buy your hosting from HostGator and gonna get email within few minutes. So just for revision, I've been using it from the last years and my experience so far is very good. Make sure to click on the link in the description and use either of the coupon code to buy your hosting with a maximum discount at HostGator. Good luck.